At least 2 persons are feared dead following a 2-vehicle collision in the Spring Hill Main Road in Trelawny on Tuesday morning. Observer online understand that the accident involved a Toyota Noah and a Toyota Axio. Members of the emergency service are currently on the scene. Passengers from the Noah were taken to Falmouth Public General Hospital for treatment. The accident follows another on Sunday which claimed the life of 4 individuals. In that accident, 3 of the individuals died on the spot, while the other died in the hospital. Detectives from the Clarkstown Police Station in Trelawny have charged a 60-year-old man with the murder of his 59-year-old cousin. According to the police, Roy Rose, otherwise called Mafia, farmer of Sherwood District, Clarkstown, entered his cousin's home on Sunday, February 18, and used a machete to inflict several wounds to his head. The deceased has been identified as William Jenkins, a farmer of Sherwood District. Rose subsequently turned himself into the police and was charged with murder. His court date is being finalized. Police have slapped multiple charges on a 21-year-old man implicated in the shooting death of a taxi driver who responded to a ride request on transport app. The man, Kevin Brown, otherwise called Bams, Bam Bam, and Bama T, is of Trinidad Road in Kingston 11. He has been charged with murder, conspiracy to murder, robbery with aggravation, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. The charges are related to the shooting death of Anthony Wilson, otherwise called Skipper, and Skip, taxi operator of Q Road and Richmond Park in Kingston 10. According to the police, the incident occurred on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, on Nams Drive in Kingston 11. They report that Brown and an accomplice chartered Wilson through the app under the guise of picking up a female passenger from Greenwich Road in Kingston 13. When he arrived, it was Brown and the accomplice who instead boarded the vehicle and forced him at gunpoint to drive to Nance Drive. Police say the perpetrators robbed Wilson of his iPhone. Brown allegedly ordered Wilson to exit the vehicle, and when he resisted, he dragged him from the car and shot him. The assailants fled the scene in Wilson's white Nissan AD Expert motor car, which was later found on Barbados Road in the parish. Brown was arrested and charged on Saturday, January 27.